Right, and then of course we have our swipe mixture, which I'm going to just run over the top. There we go. Okay, let me get this ready. Today I'm going to be doing it in sections like this. So there you go, guys. Wow, what a super interesting painting. I'm going to flame now because I'm sure we'll get a few more cells coming through. And we can also pop the air bubbles that are in the paint. Yeah, it's very interesting actually. I like the pink bits and these blue bits here. Actually not too much color coming down here, so I think what I'm going to do is swipe this section again. Okay guys, for some reason the video cut off there, so I'm not sure how much talking you heard me do, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Obviously the first one didn't work out. That happens sometimes when we do paintings, but I'm glad that I sort of managed to rescue it. This one looks quite busy, but I do like the different shades of color. There's lots of nice purple in there, these greens, there's lots of cells coming through here as well. I'm just wondering whether I should do another swipe here, because we know that always with the second swipe, I'm not sure why, maybe because it makes the paint thinner, it tends to bring out more cells. So I think I'm going to do this section here. Right, I think that's enough swiping for one day, guys. It's been a swipe fest today. Luckily it doesn't use too much paint when you do the swipe. So managed to rescue this painting from the first Dutch pour that I tried to do. I hope you guys like it. It is quite busy, but yeah, I think it looks great. There's a lot of little cells developing here, over here as well. You'll see them in the close-up. And I think once the paint starts to settle, yeah, it's going to turn out great. So there we have it, guys. Hope you're having a good week. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm getting quite a few comments, which is great. Love replying to them. I'm still waiting for some ideas or some suggestions from you guys, so if you have any of those, please feel free to post it in the comments, and I'll try to accommodate you. So that's it for today, guys. I'll be doing a pour later in the week, maybe even tomorrow for the Wacky Wednesday. Have to see how I'm feeling, but at the moment, yeah, hope you're having a good one. Let's cut to the close-up. Cheers.